Good morning all of you. Welcome once again in statistic lecture. In the previous lecture, I have explained you meaning of measure of dispersion. Measure of dispersion, it means how far observation are scattered than to its central value. Okay. Today, after that we have seen four types of measure of dispersion. First is a range. Second, quartile deviation. Third, mean deviation. And fourth, standard deviation. Today we will see example sum of a range. First, dispersion method. Okay, let's see what is a range. The difference between the highest and lowest observation of the data is called the range, and it is denoted by symbol r. Range, it means denoted by r, and the difference between the highest and lowest observation of data is called range. Formula of a range. Range is equal to highest observation, h it means the highest, xh minus xl. xl, it means the lowest observation, right? Here let's see the first example. The runs scored by a batsman in his last 10 innings of cricket matches are 48. These are called observation. Observation x is equal to 48, 75, 37, 52, 93, 81, 25, 72, 18 and 60. Total 10 observations are given. Find the range and coefficient of range of these runs. Here range, it means a absolute range, and coefficient range of range, it means a relative range. Let's first find the absolute range. Here see in this observation which is a maximum value 93 and which is the lowest value 18. So xh is equal to 93 and lowest observation is equal to 18 from this 10 observation. So range r is equal to xh minus xl. Here 93 minus 18. So r is equal to 75 runs. Okay. Whenever you mention the absolute range, at that time to mention the unit, it is a compulsory. And let me find the coefficient of range. Coefficient of range, it means a relative range. Thus, coefficient of range is equal to r. R, it means of what? xh minus xl upon xh plus xl. Understood what I am saying? Here r, it means you can see here r is equal to xh minus xl. So whenever you find the coefficient of range, you will write the same formula, but here minus, here plus. So xh minus xl is a 75. 75 upon 93 plus 18. 75 upon 111. So if you will count on calci, you will get 0.6757. But whenever you find the relative range, you cannot mention the unit because it is a relative, free from a unit. The coefficient of range of runs is 0.68. Same way you have to complete the exercise sum 1. Here in exercise 4.1, first sum is the following data refer to the height in centimeter of 10 students of a class. Find range and coefficient of range of a height of the students. Here this all observation, it means the x given. First of all you will find the xh, it means the highest value of x, that is a 185, right? And lowest value is 151. So you will 145. So how can you find the range? R is equal to xh minus xl, and coefficient of range, it means r is equal to xh minus xl upon xh plus xl. This way, same as example number 1 you have to complete. Let's see the second example. Example number 2. From the following information of monthly salary of a worker of a factory, find the range and the coefficient of range. Range and coefficient of range, it means again absolute range and relative range, right? Then what is given? Monthly salary, it means a x column, and number of workers, it means a f column. These two are given. This column is x column and this is a f column. The variable of this is the answer. Frequency distribution is a discrete. Whenever x and f column given, only two column given, that is called a discrete data. And from the observation of salary, it is clear that maximum xh, here highest value of xh is 12,000 and lowest value is 3500. So R is equal to XH minus XL. 12,000 minus 3500, range is equal to 8500. Now we will find coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is equal to R upon XH plus XL. R, that is a 8500, XH 12,000 plus 3500. Answer is a 8500 upon 12,000 plus 3500. It means a 15,500. If you will do division, 8500 divided by 15,500, your answer is a 0.548. So approximately here the value is a more than 5. So here we will add a 0.55. The coefficient of range of the monthly salary of worker is 0.55. Now same way you have to complete the exercise sum number 2. See the sum. Here question number 2 is the same as example number 2. Here company has a 77 buses for traveling in the city. The information of number of passenger in bus on a particular day at a particular time is given below. Find the range and coefficient of range of number of passenger. These number of passengers and number of buses given, right? Number of passengers suggests a X and number of buses suggests a Y. These X and this is a F column, sorry. So which is a maximum XH in this sum is a 37 and XL, it means the lowest observation is 2. So what is the range? XH minus XL is equal to 35. Understood? And what is the formula of a coefficient of range? R upon XH plus XL. So here R is equal to 35 upon 37 plus 2 is equal to 35 by 39. If, here you will get your answer on calci, right? Now let me see the third example. Example number 3. The items produced in a factory are packed into different boxes according to their weight. Using the following information, find the range and the relative range of weight of the boxes. Here 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30 and 30 to 35. Number of boxes, this is a X called, actually class is given. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, that is our X, right? And number of boxes here F, that is a given. But whenever we find the range, we need only X column. Here maximum value of X is a 35 and lowest value of X is a 10. So range is equal to XH minus XL. 35 minus 10 is a 25. So R is equal to 25 kgs. This is the absolute range, so it is a compulsory to write a kgs. Okay. Now relative range is equal to R XH upon XL. 25 upon 35 plus 10. So 25 upon 45, answer is 0.5556. Relative range is equal to approximately, here this is a 5 or more than 5. If after a third if a third number after a decimal point, third number is 5 or more than 5, at that time you will add a 1. So here 0.55, on place of approximate you will write the 0.56. This is a relative range, so you will not mention a unit, it means a kg. Relative range of the weight of boxes is 0.56. Okay. Same way you will complete the question number 3 of exercise 4.1. Here in this question, using the following frequency distribution of mark of students of a school, find range and relative range of marks. Here 20 to 30, 30 to 40, in this way last 70 to 80 given. So highest observation is 80 and lowest observation, question number 3, lowest observation is 20. So this way you will find the R XH minus XL is equal to 60. In this way also you can find the relative range. Let me see the fourth example. Find the range and coefficient of range of the marks from the following frequency distribution of marks scored by 50 students of a school in a certain area. Same like example number 3 and question number 3. Marks are given from 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89 and 90 to 99. Number of students 2, 15, 23, 6 and 4, right? So here this is our x column. Actually this is a class column, and when we find the mid value, at that time it is called a x column, but here we need only the highest and lowest observation. So we can say this is a x column and this is a f column. Here lowest xl is equal to 50 and highest is 99, right? See here, first range is equal to xh minus xl, 99 minus 50, so 49. R is equal to 49 marks. The range of the marks of the student is 49 marks. Coefficient of range is equal to R upon xh plus xl, 49 upon 99 plus 50. So 49 upon 149, your answer is 0.3289. Here 8, it means more than 4 or 5 or more than 5. So we will add here 1 point, here 32, so we will write a 33. Thus coefficient of range of marks obtained by student is 0.33. With this let me see the fourth question of exercise. This is the fourth question. The frequency distribution of a daily income in 1000 rupees of 80 shops of an area is as follows. Find the absolute and the relative measure of range of daily income from it. This is a XL lowest value and this is a XH. I hope you can complete this sum by putting a formula R is equal to XH minus XL. And then what is the formula of a coefficient of range? Coefficient of range, it means a relative range. R is equal to R upon XH plus XL. Okay, understood? You have to complete this only exercise sum. You will not complete the example sum in your notebook directly. Exercise sum you have to count down in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.